Hello my dear student, welcome back on my YouTube channel and today we are talking about the topic articles. Okay, and it is the second part of the articles. If you want to see the first part of the articles, then you have to go to the playlist and then you can watch the video. Okay, so let's start the know about the articles. Okay, in the first part I have to explain about the indefinite articles. Okay, so indefinite articles, and today we are going to talking about definite articles. Okay, first we have to know about the definition of definite articles. So you can see here is the definition of difficult article, definite articles. The word the is known. Okay, the word the is known as the definite articles because it points to a specific person or things. Okay, in the previous parts of the articles you have to know about the indefinite articles. Indefinite article means the word a and an are called indefinite articles because they do not point to the any special person or things. They, it means indefinite article do not point out any particular or a special person or things, but in this articles it is the tell about that it points to a specific person or things. Okay, so let's start the article called the definite articles because it points to a particular person or specific things. We have to know one by one all the rules about the different articles, which is the rules that we can use to make our articles as a proper way. Okay, so let's start. First point is we use the when we speak of a particular person or thing. Okay, or one that has already been referred to. Okay, like a dog chest chest to a cat. The dog was black in color. So in this sentence, you can see here in the sentence, and in this sentence, I write about a dog and cat. You can see in the first sentence a dog. Okay, here is the a dog that is not a definite. It is a indefinite. Chest to a cat. So here the cat is also a indefinite articles. You can see here a article is a indefinite that indicate both are the animals are not a special things. It is not point out a special things are in special animals. But in the second sentence you can see the dog. Okay, why we can use here the? Because the dog is same that mentioned in the first sentence. Okay, that this dog is a same dog that is the mention in a first sentence, and it is the chest of the cat. So and this dog is a black in color. So this is the definite. This word is a definite. So we can use definite articles when in a sentence that referred as a particular. Okay, clear? That we use the when we speak or a particular person or things. Clear? Now next we use the when a singular common noun is used to indicate a whole class. Okay, we use the articles when a singular common noun is used to indicate a whole class. For example, the donkey is a laborious animal. The cow gives us milk. The cow gives us milk. The donkey is laborious animal. Laborious animal. Clear? So in this sentence, here the donkey and the cow. Okay, the donkey and the cow. We can see in the beginning of the sentence we can use the articles with the cow and donkey. Why? Because it is singular number, common noun, that is the used to indicate whole class. Everyone know that the cow is a animal and it means cow gives us a milk. So it is saying to whole class. And everyone know that in any part of our country, in any part of the world, we know that the donkey is laborious animal. Okay, so this word refer to whole class of its category. So with these words, that is the singular number common noun, but it's referred to whole class, so we can use the articles. Clear? And some of the example, like we use the with the superlative degree. Okay, wherever we use the when we use the superlative degree in a sentence, then we always use the articles before the superlative word. For example is 1 minute. Okay, Rohan was based, not here, was before the based. You can see, you can use the. Rohan was the best student in the class. Okay, Rohan was the best student in the class. So in this sentence you can see here is a Rohan, and Rohan is a best. Rohan is the best. Before the, it is a superlative degree form of adjective. Okay, and before the superlative form of the adjective, we can always use the articles to refer the specialty of a person that mentions about a superlative degree. Clear? So wherever we have to use the superlative degree in a sentence, then we use the article before these sentences. Okay, now next is we use the with object of our unique, any unique objects. Okay, with the unique object or unique things in the world, we always use the articles. For example, moon is a unique, then we can use here the moon. Okay, the moon. Earth is unique, then we always use the article with the earth. Okay, sun is unique, then we can use the sun. Any unique object in the world, we always use before these type of the unique words, we always use the articles. Clear? I hope you all understand it. Okay, next we use the before the phrases with the word like first, last, only, next, following and previous. Okay, wherever we have to see the word first, last, only, next, following and previous word, then we always use the articles before these type of the words, like she is sitting in the, she is sitting in the last seat. So you can see here is the last word, okay, last word, and we always use some of the words like a last, first, only, next, following and previous. In place of the last, if you find any word of the only or next or following or the previous, then you can always use the article before these type of the words, okay. Now next is we use the before the ordinals, okay, like a her examination starts on the 3rd of March, the 4th of March, the 6th of March, etc. We have to use the articles before ordinals, okay, like a give example, the her examination start on 3rd March, her examination her examination starts on the 3rd of month, okay, 3rd of month or 3rd of March, okay. So you will see a third in place of third, in place of fourth, fifth, sixth, any ordinal word used in the sentence. Before these words, you have to always use the articles. Okay. Now next rule is, if we use the way we speak of the population of a nation, okay, wherever we talking about the population of the nation, then we can use the articles before the referring word of the population, like Indians or Indians, the Indians. If you use the Indians, then before the Indians you can use the articles, okay. You have used the articles, you have to use the articles before the Indian. So I will explain a sentence. The Indians are warm-hearted good. The Indians are warm-hearted people. In place of Indian, if you have to find any nationality word like Japanese, Chinese, Pakistani, any kind of the word, okay. So before these words, you have to always use the articles. Clear? Okay. Now next is we use the before the name of trains, planes and ships, okay. Any kind of the place, any kind of the trains, that is the unique, that is the only one, we have to use the articles before these, like the Titanic, the Raphael, the Golden Temple Expresses, okay. Now next is we use the before the name of well-known building and institution, okay. So I gave you some example like the Taj Mahal, the Taj Mahal, the Red Fort. You know Taj Mahal and Red Fort both are the unique building, okay. It is a historical building and well-known building. So we always use the articles before these type of the buildings, okay. And if we use the before the name of we use the with the name of countries, okay, if their name contains a common noun, okay, like everyone know that the name of the United States of America, United States of America, that made by the joined by the two or more countries, okay, like North America, South America, okay. So we says both are the country as a United States of America. So UK, United Kingdom, before the United Kingdom you always use the articles, okay. So you always use the articles before the name of countries if the name contains a common noun, clear. And we use the before the name of a newspaper. Everyone know that there are many kind of the newspaper, so we always use the articles before the newspaper, like the Hindustan, the Hindu, the Sahara, the Dainik Jagran, etc. are the many newspapers. And we use the before the name of any newspaper, and we use the with the adjective when those adjectives are used as a noun, okay, like we should help the poor. So poor word is a here is a noun word. If we have to write poor boy, then poor word is a adjective, but when it work as a noun word, then we can always use the articles before these, okay. And we use the with the name of a any river's name, any sea's name, any ocean's name, any mountains name, mountains ranges name, and desert name, okay. Like you know very well about that Indian most famous river is Ganga. Before the Ganga you have to always use the articles, okay. Ganga is a famous river, and you know very well about the Himalayas, then you can write here the Himalayas. Himalayas is a mountain that is the very famous, okay. And you can use ocean, any ocean name, like a Indian Ocean, Indian Ocean, okay. Then you write the Indian Ocean. And you know very well about the desert, that is the called Thar, okay. Then you have to write Thar desert, okay. If you have to find any river name, any mountain range name, any ocean name, any desert name in any country, okay, any countries, then you have to use always the articles before these type of the objects, okay. So now next is we use the articles before point of the compass that are used to geographical areas, okay, like the east, okay, it is direction. We always use the articles with the direction. The Middle East, the Middle East, the north, etc. We have been talking about any kind of direction, then we have to use the articles before the direction, okay. And we use the articles before points of the globe, point of the globe, it means north pole and south pole or equator, okay. Then you always use the equator, the north pole, the south pole, okay. We use the articles with the name of holy books. Holy books like the Ramayana, the Ramayana word is a holy book of Hindus, and you know about the Quran. Quran is a book that is the holy book of Muslim, okay, or any Bible. Then you have to write the articles before the Bible, and it will be the Bible, the Ramayana, the Quran. Clear? And we use the with the name of whole families. Like if you family nickname or family members known by your any surname like it Gupta, and it's used for the whole family, then we can use the Guptas, okay, the Banerjees, the Chauhans, etc. afterward we can use the articles when the word referred to the whole family. Clear? So this is the indefinite articles, and I hope you all understand about the definite articles. In the next we have to read as a wherever is a place where we cannot use the articles, okay. So that is the call omissions of articles, and it will be start in the next video. So thank you for the watching video.